Drinking a Monster drink and it's not it. It's really not it, sis. It's not. So I hate it. But I'm tired and I gotta wake myself up and get myself together. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is another product review. I am reviewing one of the newest foundations that just came out, which is Too Faced Born This Way Matte Edition. Yeah, matte edition. They came out with a matte edition to the original Born This Way. So I'm going to show you guys the difference between them, compare them, let you guys know the tea on this new foundation, and let you guys know how I like it. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching. But before we get into the video, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a like, and let's get into the video. So when I saw this foundation online, I was like, add to cart, I need to try this out because I love the original Born This Way. But the thing with this is because it's a natural finish and I'm so oily, I found that I was like shining, looking like I just got cooked on a frying pan after an hour of wearing this. So the formula did not work for me. But the matte version, let me tell you, the matte version, I am here for it. It's a 24-hour undetectable super long wear foundation, and I love anything that gives me that comfort of knowing it's 24 hours. I don't know, I just love that. So 24 hours, I feel like we're good all day. It's oil free, oil controlling, waterproof, and transfer resistant. I was just raspberry picking earlier and I was in the hot scorching sun sweating. I was sweating out there, and let me tell you, my foundation's still on, so I do feel like it is sweat proof. Like, in my opinion, it's sweat proof because I was sweating and we're still good to go. So this foundation I'm using in the shade Golden Beige. I used to use it in Golden Beige in the original as well, so I'm going to insert a clip right here to show you guys Golden Beige in both formulas so you guys can see the color for yourself. Now, the price is $52, so it's $1 more than the original, and the milliliters is the exact same. They're both 30 milliliters, but the packaging is different. This is very tall and skinny. It still has a pump, which I love. I love pump foundations, so both of them are pump. So this foundation comes in 35 shades, just like the original version, so 35 shades. Now the coverage is medium to full coverage, and I love the coverage on it. It's definitely buildable. I use 1.5 pumps, and I'm going to insert a clip right here showing you guys when I was putting it on. It's full coverage. It built up to full coverage, and I do have pigmentation on my cheeks, so it gives me that really, really nice full coverage. So I love it. I don't have to use a concealer to spot treat, nothing, so it's great. And it's super lightweight. I love lightweight and full coverage. Like, that is my jam. Like, I love that. So it's very, very lightweight. And it also says that this foundation is a true to color. So it does not oxidize. It stays true to color. And let me tell you, that's very true because I've noticed that I've been wearing this for days, and every day I've noticed that the color does not change. It doesn't oxidize, because you know some foundations do that. They play you, and after a while you're orange. This foundation definitely stays true to color. I love the color. It doesn't oxidize, nothing, so it's great. This is what also caught my attention. It also says it's life-proof foundation. Life-proof. They said forget the waterproof, the sweat-proof, the transfer-proof. We are giving you life proof foundation. So that definitely reeled me in because I was like, okay, life proof. Now I feel like I can get through life with this foundation. I can get through anything, and this foundation will be on. And again, let me tell you, I've been wearing this every single day, and every day this week I've been going out. Like, I've been going out on patios, I've been going to museums, I've been going on hikes. I've been doing the most, and this foundation has been good. Like, this foundation has stayed. The only thing I will say is that it says it's a 24-hour matte foundation and will give you all day shine free skin. That's the only thing I'll tell you. I feel like that's cap. They're lying because I'm oily, and there is no foundation I have found that has kept me 24-hour matte. So this foundation does not give me an all-day shine free, because after maybe 4 to 5 hours, I do find that I'm oily in my T-zone, but it's not like excessive. I do blot it with blotting sheets or blotting powder, and we're good to go again. So it's not anything crazy. It definitely does control oil, but it's not 24-hour matte. Like, it's not 24-hour matte. It's not all day shine free, at least not for me. So let me know in the comments down below. Are you guys oily, and like, do you guys find that this gives you like all day shine free? Let a girl know. But for me, No. So I'm going to compare these real quick for you guys. So as you can see, the packaging is different, like I said, but both of them are 30 ml. This one's 51, this one's 52, so $1 cheaper. This does come in 35 shades, just like the matte one, so 35 shades, and it is oil free as well. So both of them are oil free. This one, however, says it's gluten-free, cruelty-free, and it's vegan. I did not see that the matte one said any of that, so I'm not too sure if it is, but I know that this one 100% says it has those three things free of, so definitely a good benefit to have for, like I said, some people I know prefer to wear like vegan things or cruelty-free products, so definitely a good thing. Medium to full coverage, so the coverage I find are exactly the same, which is great. Literally looks like skin, just like the matte one, so this looks great. The finish is very different. This is a natural finish, so it doesn't make you look dewy, but it makes you look very natural, gives you a little bit of a glow. So I find that if you have normal skin, dry skin, even combination skin, this will work great for you. If you have oily skin, I found that it did not work for me. So the finish is very different. It says that it's not comedogenic, non-comedogenic. You guys already know I can't say that word. So it does not cause breakouts at all. This matte version also says it's non-acneic, so it does not cause you to get acne or breakouts. So overall, both formulas do not cause breakouts, which is great. One thing I did notice is that this formula says it causes no flashback, which is great. You guys already know we hate flashback. The matte version does not say it does not cause flashback, so I don't know if you will get flashback, but for sure this one will not give you flashback. Now, another thing both of these have in common is the three main ingredients that Too Faced uses in their formula for Born This Way, which is hyaluronic acid. It gives you a more smooth and youthful appearance. So both of these foundations have that, and let me tell you, they came through with that hyaluronic acid, because I always find that these formulas make my skin look more youthful, more plump, more fresh, which I love. And sometimes in a matte formula, I find my skin looks a little bit more dry because it's just like, it just snatches everything up to keep it dry and matte. But this still makes me look very like youthful, very like plump. So the hyaluronic acid in both of these formulas are it, like it's it. It also has Alpine Rose. Alpine Rose is good for, let me tell you, it's good to empower skin's health and resilience. So both of them have this, and it has coconut water, which replenishes the skin's moisture levels. So those three ingredients are always in Born This Way formulas, I find, so that's another common thing. So that is the end of my review. I hope this was helpful to you guys overall. You guys already know this is about to be my new everyday foundation. Like, this is it. Try this out, guys. You will not be disappointed. Comment down below. Let me know your guys' thoughts on it. Let me know what you guys use. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.